Passengers are starting to flock ports in the metro to travel back to their respective provinces, prompting the Philippine Ports Authority, or PPA, and other agencies to conduct an inspection. To shorten queues, travelers may now reserve trips online through the Online Reservation Assistance System, or ORAS, in select ports in the Philippines. Vel Custodio has the full details.
From Baguio, Rose is set to travel all the way to Cebu. As early as 4 in the morning, she was already at the passenger terminal despite her trip being scheduled at 9 in the evening. She said that it's a good thing that port services for passengers are well managed.
Ang hirap din kasi lalo pa may baby ako, ang init pa. Pero ang importante naman ang nakagandahan, hindi masyadong crowded so wala masyadong tao. Maganda naman ma'am, inaasikaso kami, tinitignan kami kung okay ba kami. Tapos yung CR maganda din, wala namang problema dito. Kasi yung mga gamit din namin pinaalala na sa amin kung okay lang ba, baka may mawala.
Trips bound from Cebu and Cagayan from Manila North Port are already fully booked. According to Philippine Ports Authority, or PPA, more than 800 passengers traveled through Manila North Harbor Port today. Passenger traffic is expected to peak on Sunday, which may reach up to 2,200 foot traffic. To ensure smooth port operations, the Office of Transport Security, PPA, and Philippine Coast Guard conducted a joint inspection. Safety equipment such as scanners and emergency devices were also checked. K9 units from the police were also deployed around the port area. Authorities also distributed go bags and travel flyers to passengers.
Yun yung go bags na tinatawag namin, nandun yung mga pwede nilang ilagay yung mga things nila like yung mga cellphones and other valuable items na meron sila. And of course, pwede rin gamitin parang life vest.
The flyers contain information on required and prohibited items in port, airports, and bus terminals.
Usually, maraming nakukuha ng mga bladed weapons at yung mga bawal dito sa mga ports natin. Kasi nga, yung iba kasi talagang hindi nila alam na bawal pala magdala ng mga maliliit na kutsilyo, bawal pala magdala ng mga easy open cans.
No untoward incident were recorded by Office of Transport Security, or OTS, this Holy Week. Meanwhile, passengers may now reserve trips online through Online Reservation Assistance System, or ORAS, in Batangas and Lucena ports. The system is also set to be launched in Balanacan Port this Saturday.
Ang panawagan din natin sa mga pasahero natin, lalo na kung bubiyahe ngayong mga peak season, i-ensure nila na may mga tickets na sila bago pa sila pumunta ng Pantalan.
The agency continues to crack down on unauthorized operators that overcharge passengers. According to OTS, passenger ships are complying with standards fare rates. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.